Once, there was a big stone. It was gray and cold. It lived in a dusty garden. The stone was sad. It thought, I am not special. I am just a stone. My life is boring. It stayed there for many years. Rain fell on it, snow covered it, but nothing changed. One morning, a man came to the garden. He was a famous artist, a sculptor. He looked at the gray stone. He smiled and said, I was looking for you. The stone was surprised. Why me? It asked. The artist did not answer. He took out a heavy hammer and a chisel. Bam! 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 The artist started to hit the stone. The stone felt a lot of pain. Small pieces of the stone fell to the ground. The stone cried, Stop! Why are you doing this? It hurts. The stone wanted to give up. It wanted to run away. The artist said quietly, Be patient. Trust me. You are in pain, but you are changing. Days passed. Weeks passed. The artist worked every day. Bam, bam, bam. The stone was not a big gray block anymore. It was starting to look different. It had beautiful lines. It had a shape. The stone was tired, but it didn't say stop again. It decided to be strong. It decided to wait. Finally, the artist put down his hammer. He cleaned the dust. The stone looked at its reflection in the water. It was shocked. It was not a boring stone anymore. It was a beautiful angel. People came from everywhere to see the statue. Look at this angel, they said. It is perfect. It is strong. It is beautiful. The stone understood everything. The hammer was not its enemy. The pain was not a punishment. The hammer made it a masterpiece. My friend, listen to me. Sometimes life hits you hard. Problems feel like a hammer. You feel pain. You want to give up. But remember the stone. Life is not breaking you. Life is shaping you. You are becoming a masterpiece. Don't give up. Be patient. Stay strong. Don't give up. Stay strong.